Hello, year one, Mrs. Savage here. Our next topic lesson is going to be looking at one of Isambard Kingdom Brunel's engineering designs. And he created, if you remember, the Great Eastern. Now, this was a very powerful ship that he designed. So we're going to look at a few facts, again, about his ship, and then I've got a very exciting task for you to do. So Isambard Kingdom Brunel, we're going to learn just to remind ourselves some of the facts that we learned about him. So the Great Eastern was the world's biggest ship, and Isambard Kingdom Brunel designed it. It was 211 meters long and 19,000 tons. It was big enough to carry, you remember, 4,000 people or 10,000 soldiers. It was designed to get people from Britain to Australia. The Great Eastern was launched into the sea in 1859, but never really made it to Australia, did it? It was damaged in an explosion, and it was too big and too expensive for many harbors. In 1890, it ended up being broken up for scrap. And do you remember what that means? They took the ship apart, and all the pieces of metal and pieces of wood they gave to sort of other factories to make different machines. Here is a picture of the Great Eastern, and you can see it has many masts, and it has a water wheel because that's what they used. Now, are you ready to find out your exciting task? Can you be an engineer like Brunel? I'm sure you can. Your challenge is to make a boat that will float. So here are some things you can use. We can use anything actually if you want. Recycling, water bottles, egg cartons, foil, aluminum foil, plastic trays, containers, juice boxes, anything you have at home, Lego, paper, anything from nature, some sticks, wood. Use your kitchen sink, or if you have a bath, when you have a bath, you can test your engineering idea in the bath before you get in. So here are some pictures of just some ideas to help you. So we've got a paper boat, some boats with foil trays, a boat made out of a juice box. Now, can you recognize that plastic container? I believe it is a butter container. Wood, here we have another water bottle, and we've got another plastic tray or an egg carton. Use your imagination, anything you want to try and make a boat. And if you want to put a little Lego person in it or a penny or anything to just pretend that it's floating. And remember, take a picture and put it on tapestry, and you can label it creating a boat and see if your boat will float. Good luck. I'm sure you will all be great engineers, and I look forward to seeing them all on tapestry.